Indonesia is heavily land in natural resources, World Heritage Diamond Land, changing the function of the land which seems to threaten, suggests the need for real innovation. Innovation by the nation-based science and doctor.
Indonesia. Currently, Indonesia is ranked 40 with the largest population after the United States, data according to the Spectator Index 2018.
We can see that Indonesia population in 2010 reached 238.5 million people, and it is projected that in 2035 it will increase to reach 305.6 million people. This means that Indonesia population will always increase. Then, what is the impact?
It is clear that the impact in an increase in food needs to meet food needs and adequate amount of agricultural land is needed. However, at this time, there is conversion of agricultural land to non-agricultural land. Currently, there are 8.1 million hectares of agricultural land remaining, and it is projected that in 2045 it will only leave 5.1 million hectares. So what should we do?
The right solution to deal with this is by using hydroponic farming techniques. Hydroponic is a technique of cultivating plants without using soil, but using water as the medium. In this case, we are able to take the advantage of potential for technological intelligence in the form of Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, automation system, smart grids, smart sensor, and even being able to use renewable green energy.
Then we present the high-class hydroponic smart fuzzy innovation in NFT hydroponic can control based on artificial intelligence fuzzy logic. Introducing us Semarang State University with members Indah, Novi, Yarman, Yuan Firlikaja, Durjaya, Muhammad Ilham Sifki, and Siska Fadila.
The following are components of the high-cast. The first is the controller, alkaline and acid solution, solenoid, easy matter, pH sensor, pump and flow sensor. The following is how the high-cast work. The first is reading the value of pH, EC or electrical conductivity, and flow sensor. Then, the read data will be sent to the controller. Next is the data calculation performed by the microcontroller to determine the volume of the solution stabilizer. Next is the process of stabilizing the pH, EC, and flow rates carried out by solenoid based on microcontroller calculation. And after all of these processes are carried out, the ideal conditions are achieved with a pH value of 6, EC value of 2.5 millisiemens, and a flow rate of 1.5 liter per meter.
Why should high-cast? Because high-cast is smart, fast, accurate, and precise. Here is a high-cast implementation. Step 1. Planning and design, hardware and software selection, system assembly, and testing and evaluation. Step 2. Searching for potential areas and establishing cooperation. Step 3. Selection of potential areas, monitoring and evaluation. And Step 4. Assessing promotion, commercial implementation, and final evaluation of the program.
The last stage is the projection of success. With the existence of high-cast, it can increase efficiency in hydroponic and FT farming. It is able to provide intelligent and intensive care in controlling pH, electrical conductivity value, and weather flow rate, and can increase plant production by 31.14%.
Here is an analysis of the success of the high-cast. We can see a comparison of a stable pH with a less stable pH. At stable pH, there was an increase in all aspects of the test, and based on the calculation of increase in success was able to reach 41.25%. Comparison of the result between the ideal assay value and the less ideal, we can see that the ideal assay value based on calculation can increase the result by 35.71%. Meanwhile, the flow rate of the water based on the calculation data was able to increase 16.46%. So that the overall success projection can increase plant growth in hydroponic and FT agriculture to reach 31.14%. Therefore, high-cast is very feasible to be applied to NFT hydroponic system throughout Indonesia. That's all from us. Thank you.